the next couple of days, but it is going to be stormy. We've also got some beneficial rainfall in the forecast, and so that is something that we will welcome. Just to set you up here, what we're expecting next couple of days, we've got potentially 3 rounds of storms. Now, the first 2 are a guarantee. This is mainly for Wednesday afternoon and evening. There could be some additional storms, mainly down to our south. But we'll watch and see how the first 2 pan out. So round 1 comes in late tonight. We're talking about after midnight mainly, and then through tomorrow morning. So plan for a wet commute on Tuesday. Wet, some lightning. Not looking at a terribly severe setup for tomorrow morning, but some storms could produce gusty winds. Round 2 will be Tuesday evening through Tuesday night. Looks like we'll have a little bit more instability then, and some wind shear that some of those storms could tap into and reach severe limits. And then some of those storms will last into Wednesday morning. Bullseye is well to our north and west today. We've got a marginal risk that covers part of our viewing area. It's mainly north of I-20, and then a slight risk for the northwest corner of Alabama. Now, it's breezy out there now. You've noticed we've got some clouds and again the breeze picking up, but it's expected to stay dry through most of today. It isn't until much later tonight when storms even edge into northwest Alabama. So I think by 8-9 p.m. there could be a few storms that clip our northwestern counties, looking at Marion, Fayette, Lamar. But these are going to be weakening as they approach the Highway 278 corridor. As we move throughout the nighttime hours, still a lot of us are dry, but then by tomorrow morning, this is 2 a.m., we've got storms moving in, really a broken line of storms it seems, and some of these may produce some gusty winds, but overall the severe threat is limited. We're just looking at some very heavy downpours, some occasional wind gusts to up to 40 miles an hour, and then those storms move through before sunrise. In fact, latest model guidance is coming in a little quicker, and so while it may not be wet for all of you on your morning commute, it will be wet in the morning. The roads will be wet, but maybe it gets out of here before rush hour. And then tomorrow afternoon, evening, we do have an upgraded risk for severe weather with more instability. As I told you, the Storm Prediction Center has included most of us in a slight level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storm. This is not going to be a widespread severe weather event, but just one of those times where we're babysitting radar and just watching very closely, as some storms could produce damaging wind gusts and possibly some hail up to a quarter. So this is 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. We've got some scattered storms, mainly south of I-20. And then I do think that through the afternoon, a lot of us may be dry, especially north of I-20. But then by dinner time, we've got our next round of storms moving in, and it's going to be a soaking rain event with some heavy embedded thunderstorms to watch for possibly damaging wind gusts. Those moving southwest to northeast if you kind of watch the orientation there. Through Wednesday morning, we've still got storms ongoing. This is midnight, and I think some of that will last through daybreak on Wednesday morning. And again, just some heavy rain, embedded thunder and lightning. Of course, we're going to be here watching it for you. The positive out of this is that we are going to see some beneficial rainfall. We mentioned threats. Again, understand there's a limited severe risk overall, but doesn't take much for some of these storms to produce damaging wind gusts. And so that's something that we'll be watching with this. Possibly some hail. The tornado threat is low, but it is still there. And so any storms that briefly rotate, there could be a couple of warnings in addition to the severe thunderstorm warnings. You can see that we're actually going to turn cooler a bit later in the week. Temperatures falling even below average into the upper 60s to low 70s.